Good morning. May I see your passport, please?
Good morning. Yes, here you are, sir.
Thank you. Where are you flying today?
I am flying to Singapore today.
Is this your first time flying there?
Yes, it is my first time ever.
Do you have any bags to check in?
Yes, I have one large blue suitcase.
Please put your bag on the scale.
Okay, no problem. Here it is.
Your bag is within the weight limit.
That is very good to hear now.
You can take a seat now. Your boarding pass for Singapore.
What time is the boarding for flight?
Boarding starts at 2 p.m.
Perfect, thank you.
Arms up, please. Hold still.
Like this?
Perfect. You're clear. Please step forward.
Thank you.
Here's your ID. Gate 15 is that way.
Great, thanks.
Yes, you are all set to go.
Thank you. May I collect my things?
Please collect your belongings from the belt.
I have everything now, thank you, officer.
Enjoy your trip and have safe flight.
Thank you very much for your kindness.
Next passenger, please. Have a good day.
I feel much more relaxed now, finally.
Glad to hear it.
I am starting to feel a bit hungry. Where is the food court in this terminal? Oh, I see the sign over that way. There are so many choices of food here. I think I want something warm and fresh. That small cafe looks very cozy and nice.
Good morning. What can I get for you?
I would like a chicken sandwich, please.
That'll be $5.45.
Perfect.
Would you like that toasted or fresh today?
Toasted, please, and a large latte as well.
Sure, that will be $10 total, please.
Here is my card. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Please wait at the pickup area.
How long will the sandwich take to make?
Just about 5 minutes, it will be ready.
Great, I have plenty of time for that. This sandwich is very warm and so tasty. The coffee is exactly what I needed today. I feel lucky to have this quiet moment now. The airport is like its own little busy city. I should check my gate number one more time. Gate 23 near the coffee shop, I remember. I will finish my meal and then head over. This trip is going to be truly amazing, I know. It is so interesting to watch all these people. Everyone is in such a hurry to go somewhere. I feel lucky to have this quiet moment now. The airport is like its own little busy city. I should check my gate number one more time. Excuse me, is this seat taken over here?
No, please go ahead and take a seat.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Are you waiting for flight 305?
Yes, that is my flight to Singapore too.
True, but everything is very well organized in here.
I agree. What time is the boarding for flight?
Nice talking to you too. Have a great trip.
You too. Maybe we will see each other on plane.
I hope so. It is always nice to meet friends.
Look, the agent is walking to the desk now.
In about 20 minutes, they will start the process.
Good to know. I like to arrive very early.
Same here. Better safe than sorry, as they say.
Exactly. Nice talking to you about your travel plans. Yes, please take it out of the bag.
All right, here it is on the tray.
Enjoy your trip and have safe flight.
Thank you very much for your kindness.
Welcome aboard. May I see your boarding pass, please?
Yes, here you go. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you. Your seat is 12A by the window.
Is it on the left side of the plane?
Yes, just straight ahead and to your left side.
Excuse me, could you help me with my coat?
Of course, I'd be happy to.
Thank you so much. It is such a large and very busy airport here. Would you like some water before we take off? Yes, that would be very nice. Here you are. Enjoy your flight to Singapore today. I will wait for the seatbelt sign to turn off finally. I can see the huge and beautiful airport terminal from here. Wow, we're starting to move. Look at the runway rushing by. I can feel us lifting off. This is incredible. The engines are starting to make a loud sound. We are moving faster and faster. Oh, I can feel the plane lifting off the ground. Everything below is becoming so very small and tiny. The cars look like little toys on the ground now. Whoa, here we go. We're moving. Look at that. We're actually flying. Wow. The world is so beautiful from up here. It is a bit scary, but also very, very wonderful. The sky is so blue and so bright up here. I can finally breathe and just enjoy the flight. I can't believe the trip is finally starting. Stowing my bag now. The map says we're flying over the mountains soon. This is going to be unforgettable. I can see the lights of the city through the thick, dark clouds. Would you like a small snack and some juice? Yes, please. What kind of juice do you have? You are very welcome. Let us know if you need. I will do that. Have a nice work day. Thank you. You're welcome. Enjoy your flight. Thanks again. Thank you. I will let us know if I need. Sure, sit back and relax for the whole trip. Thank you. I am ready for this new adventure. I have heard the food there is absolutely incredible and tasty. I will take so many photos to show my family back home. It is a long journey, but it is very worth the wait. I am so glad I finally decided to go on this trip. Life is full of so many wonderful and new things to see. Wow, look at that. It's so beautiful. What the lights are like stars on the ground. I could watch this forever. I wonder what Singapore will be like to see. I want to visit the gardens and the big city. I will wait for the seatbelt sign to turn off finally. I can see the huge and beautiful airport terminal from here. It looks like a sea of small and very bright golden stars. I feel a bit of pressure in my ears as we go down. I can see all the other planes on the runway. It is such a large and very busy airport here. It looks like a sea of small and very bright golden stars. I feel a bit of pressure in my ears as we go down. I will chew some gum to help with that feeling now. We are getting closer and closer to the ground every second. We have finally touched the ground, and it was so very smooth. The whole cabin is starting to move as the plane slows down. Welcome to Singapore. I am finally here, and it feels so good. The air is warm, and it smells like tropical flowers and sweet rain. Good night to my home, and hello to my whole and new world. This is only the very beginning of a very wonderful and great story. Tomorrow will be a whole new and very exciting and great adventure. I can't wait to see the sunrise over this beautiful and big city. Thank you for everything that happened on this whole day for me. I am ready to explore, and I am ready to learn so much more. Tomorrow will be a whole new and very exciting and great adventure. I can't wait to see the sunrise over this beautiful and big city. I am so proud of myself for making this whole journey alone. Now I will find a taxi and go to my lovely hotel for night.